Traveling at the speed of light sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. And, well, it totally is. But let's say, just for fun, that humans decided to challenge physics and go for it. Could it actually work? Short answer, absolutely not. The idea of zipping through space at nearly 186,000 miles per second sounds thrilling. But in reality, our bodies would fall apart faster than you can say Einstein. Buckle up, because this ride through the laws of relativity gets wild. First things first, the speed of light isn't just fast. It's a cosmic speed limit. According to physics professor Gerd Kortemeyer from Michigan State University, only massless particles can hit that incredible mark. And last time we checked, humans are definitely not massless. We're walking bags of bones, blood, skin, and all sorts of organs, none of which were made to play superhero particles. And even if we had the most high-powered spaceship ever built, we still couldn't get there. Why? Because pushing a ship to light speed would require an absolutely ridiculous amount of energy. To give you an idea, accelerating a 22,000-pound spacecraft to 99% the speed of light would take more than 200 times the amount of energy the entire Earth consumes in a year. And that's assuming we had a 100% efficient fuel. Which, spoiler alert, we don't. Not even close. But okay, let's pretend the impossible just became possible. Imagine what the trip would actually look like. The colors of everything in front of you would shift toward blue, while anything behind would fade into red. This happens due to something called the visual Doppler effect, kind of like how a siren sounds different as an ambulance races past you. And it's not just your surroundings that would go haywire. Time itself would start acting weird. At near light speeds, time slows down for the traveler. So if you took a quick 2-minute spin through the galaxy, folks back on Earth would experience nearly 6 full days. Time dilation is real, and Einstein definitely knew what he was talking about. Now for the really terrifying part, acceleration. To go from 0 to light speed, your body would need to endure forces that it simply cannot handle. On Earth, we live comfortably under 1 g of gravity. But if you suddenly ramped that up to insane levels to try and hit light speed, your body would basically flatten in an instant. Even fighter pilots, trained pros wearing G-force suits, can only tolerate around 4 to 6 Gs for a few seconds. Any more than that for any longer, and the body just can't keep up. Blood stops flowing right, organs get squished, and yeah, the outcome is definitely not good. So as much as we love dreaming about warp drives and lightspeed jumps through galaxies far, far away, it's probably best to leave that to the big screen. Our squishy human bodies are built for gravity, not hyperspace. Stick to the good old slow rocket. It may not be flashy, but at least it doesn't turn you into jelly. If you enjoyed this wild and totally theoretical ride at the speed of light, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more mind-blowing science content like this. And drop a comment below. Would you be up for an adventure like this, even knowing the risks? I'd love to hear your take. Let's chat in the comments.